Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit a PDF on Google Drive. First, let's open Google Drive in your web browser. If you don't have a Google account, make sure to sign up and log in. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the PDF file you want to edit. If you have the PDF file saved on your computer, simply drag and drop it into Google Drive. Next, right-click on the PDF file, then choose Open With and select Google Doc. Google Docs will automatically convert the PDF into an editable document. Now you can make the changes you need. Simply click on the text and start typing to edit the content. You can also format the text, add images, and make other modifications. Once you have made the necessary changes, go ahead and click File and then Download. Choose the format you want to save the document, such as PDF or Word. Congratulations! You have successfully edited a PDF using Google Drive. Remember to save your edited document to your device for easy access. We hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to edit a PDF using Google Drive. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.